Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy guide on how to prevent Roblox from accessing your microphone on your Android device. Privacy is essential, especially when it comes to gaming apps. So, let's ensure that unwanted audio access is a thing of the past. Follow these simple steps. First, go to the settings on your Android device. This is your command center, where you can adjust all sorts of features. Next, find and tap on Apps. Here you'll see all the applications installed on your device, including Roblox. Once you've located the Roblox icon, give it a tap. This will open up the specific options for the app. Now, look for Permissions and tap on it. This is where you manage what the app can access on your device. Scroll down until you see Microphone and tap on it. Finally, select Don't Allow to block Roblox from using your microphone. And there you have it. Your microphone is now secure from Roblox access. Enjoy your gaming experience without worries.